Hey y'all, I'm just out here, just doing a little something, just a little something, just some chicken on the grill right here. But I got this, this Tomzon, I think it's A31. I'll put up on the screen what the exact name of it is. But this thing has LED lights throughout the propeller ducts. Let's power it on, which is the reason why I'm doing this at night. so we can see the LEDs. All right, let's go ahead and do an auto takeoff. You can see the little controller. It's pretty tiny. So we're just gonna launch it. And you know, man, I like to have little toy drones like this around just for doing stuff just like this. You know what I mean? My girls are indoors right now, but you know, something to have with the kids out in the backyard, you know, just to kind of kick it and hang around, have some fun in the backyard, you know, or at the park. And you can see it makes it very easy to see this thing as it's flying around at night. So you can do flips. You push the right joystick in and then move it in a direction and it will flip in that direction. Then you can also turn the LED lights off. So if you're flying during the day or something, and you want to save power, you can do that. And you can see there's even those two white lights there at the eyes. Really cool looking drone, man. You know, I'm into the advanced drones now, GPS drones and stuff, even FPV maybe to a lesser extent. But I have a couple of toy grade drones that I keep just for this purpose, just to kind of kick it, you know, and just kind of chill. And this one is really cool. Look at the LEDs, and they change color. They just do that on their own. Just kind of cycle through. Now you can change the speeds. There are 3 speeds: low, medium, high. That's medium. Whoops. That's medium. That's high. So you can tell by the beeps. You can see it's changing to green now. So that's the high rate. And man, if you want to hone your flying skills, even if you're into the advanced drones, this is the way to do it with these little toy grades. Because man, you can crash them and they pretty much will survive as long as you don't damage the motors and stuff like that. This is how I basically cut my teeth on flying and got really comfortable with drones. This right here. All right, so this one comes with 2 batteries. They charge via USB. No, USB-C. USB-C. So that's a benefit, because you don't have to fool with any lipos or anything like that. And I'll have up on the screen what the flight time is. Maybe I'll do the flight clock like I usually do. But look at that. The colors are changing. See, I'm just flying around, man. I'm cooking dinner and I'm having a little fly. Check it out. Really cool, huh? That is dope, man. I like that. I like that. Let's see what kind of range we can get. See, you can... Uh-oh. Okay, now we've got our LVC. Low voltage warning. Either that, or maybe that was it was giving me a warning about the range, maybe. Let's see, usually you can't flip at LVC. So yeah, that's probably what that was. It was probably letting me know I was running out of range. Let's try that again. See what it does. Yep, that's exactly what it is. That is super cool, man. These drones are so advanced now, even the toy grades. They have all these little cool little safety features and stuff like that. For those of you that have been flying for a while, you remember something like the SEMA X5C. That thing didn't have nothing. It was just like this kind of soft plastic, man, but that thing was almost indestructible. And, you know, it was just fun to fly. You know, it did the flips and all of that stuff. It had nice lights on it, nice LEDs on it. I probably still have my SEMA X5C somewhere. And it had a little camera on it. You know, it's one of those point, And this is another benefit of these little toy grades. They're pretty tough. I got some blade grass blade on them or something. Yeah. So I'm gonna land it and get that grass out of there. Live TV, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and calibrate the gyros to keep it level, especially when you hit something like that. Let's relaunch. That's gonna make sure the drone stays level in the air, just in case there's any newbies watching me today. This is cool, man. You know, not only kids will enjoy it, but big kids like me. If you're into drones, man, you know, and you just like to fly, stuff like this is cool. It's a nice change of pace, nice and relaxing. Just having fun, man. Just having fun flying. Let me see if I used to do some cool stuff with flips. Oh, there's our LVC. Okay, now see, watch, I'm gonna try to flip and it's not gonna let me. So that's how you really know you're an LVC and the lights are flashing. I'm gonna fly it around until it's darn near ready to auto land. I don't recommend doing that because you can damage the battery, but I'm gonna do that just because I wanna see the full flight time that you get out of this. Which is seems to be a pretty decent amount of time. I feel like I've been flying for at least 10 minutes, give or take. Yep, we're losing it now. We're about ready to land, I think. And also I want to see if it just drops out of the air or if it will self-land. There we go. It just self-lands. I'm losing power. There we go. It's landing now. And there you go. Cool little drone, man. Cool little drone. What do you guys think?